something must be said concerning the West Bank. The West Bank is today under the jurisdiction of the Israeli people, militarily speaking, but not the big cities. Big cities of Bethlehem, Jericho, Ramallah, Tulkarm, those are already into the hands of the National Palestinian Authority. The National Palestinian Authority is in charge of the West Bank, but not in charge of Gaza anymore. Gaza is now under the hands of the Hamas. And we had last year the war with the Hamas, not with the National Palestinian Authority. Nous avons eu la guerre en dernier avec la... They are very religious, they learn to be a rabbi, or they learn the books of the Torah. Shalom, shalom. You see, they are coming out, getting out, and of course we are in their houses here, almost. The people are living inside are very Orthodox, Jewish Orthodox, very religious. Their interpretation of the Bible is very strict. You are going to see them with the dreadlocks, you are going to see them with the black coats, the fringes, the phylacteries here and there. People are very religious. Nous avons ici des gens qui sont très religieux, orthodoxes. Hein, c'est des gens qui portent les phylactères, des gens qui portent les talit avec les franges, des gens qui portent le chapeau, etc. How do you recognize you are in front of the Jewish house? Comment vous reconnaissez que vous êtes en face d'une maison juive? Look here. What do you see? Qu'est-ce que vous voyez ici? Ici, a box. The box is not so important. It can be in ceramic, it can be in plastic, in gold. What is important is the scrolls inside. Qu'est-ce qui est important à l'intérieur, c'est évidemment les parchemins. Inside, we've got a prayer that the Jewish people are telling already 4,000 years. It starts with Abraham. This is the basis of the faith of the Jewish people, one God. The prayer says like that, listen Israel, God is one God, God is our God. This is what is written inside. Ce que nous avons ici, à l'intérieur, c'est des parchemins où est marqué le fameux prière d'Israël, écoute Israël. The prayer is going like that. I have to cover my head because I am in front of the Jewish house. Je dois couvrir ma tête. Then I'm going to close my eyes because when I say the prayer, I have the divine presence all around, forbidden for me to see God. C'est interdit pour moi de voir Dieu. Donc je dois fermer mes yeux. And I told you the prayer. It's going like that. Shema Israel, Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad. I'm kissing the mezuzah. Kissing inside, that's the way to be welcome in the Jewish house. Voilà comment on est reçu dans une maison juive. On dit la prière, on embrasse la mezuzah, qu'on appelle, et on rentre à l'intérieur. Dear guest, this is a professional faith. By this time, 4,000 years ago, the famous Abraham, he was the first man to say to the other pagans, hey, wake up, there is only one God. This is our God. By this time, the people are worshipping the sun, the stars, the cats, the smartphone. I don't know what. Abraham will come and will say, hey, wake up, there is only one God. He will create the first basis of the monotheistical faith. Then after him will come Jesus. And then after him will come Mahomet. Three major monotheistical religions. Le premier homme à dire la pensée unique du Dieu unique, c'est Abraham. Puis par la suite viendront après lui Jésus et l'islam créant les trois religions monothéistes. Let's carry on through the beautiful Jewish neighborhood. We are going to access to the Cardo, which is the outside. second. Nous avons ici l'église de 1 siècle qui a été bâtie par les luthériens. C'est l'église du Rédempteur. We call it the Church of the Redeemer. Look what happening here. We have the church and we have the mosque. Again, the same story. Nous avons ici l'église et nous avons la mosquée. It's always the same in Jerusalem, always. Always, always you are going to see the church by the mosque by the synagogue, etc., etc. We are going to get inside. This is one of the